Ready to unlock easy spending with Revolut? This tutorial will guide you through using your Revolut account for both online and in-store purchases, making spending simpler than ever. First, let's tackle online shopping. Ensure your Revolut account is funded with enough money. For online purchases, you'll usually need your card number, expiration date, and the security code CVV, all of which you can find easily in your Revolut app under the cards section. Go to your desired online shop and find your item. After selecting your item, proceed to the checkout and input your card information details. Double-check the details to prevent any errors. Now, simply confirm the transaction. You'll likely receive a notification in your Revolut app confirming the successful purchase, along with the amount spent. Now, let's move on to in-store purchases. Ensure you've activated contactless payments for your physical Revolut card. Simply tap your Revolut card on the payment terminal, usually indicated by a contactless symbol. If the amount is over the contactless limit, you might need to insert your card and enter your PIN. Just follow the instructions on the terminal. Immediately, your Revolut app will display the transaction details, including the purchase amount, location, and time of the transaction, giving you complete control and clarity over your spending. And that's it. Using Revolut for your purchases is that simple.